Let's learn how to turn off or disable parental controls on iPhone. This will work whether you are on iOS 17, 16, or lower version, also works on any iPhone model. Parental controls are made so parents can control what their children can access, which content, apps, and features they can see, use, and have access to. If you tried to do something on your website, or download some app, access some setting, and it isn't available, you can fix that by disabling parental control in your Settings app. So let us start. First, open Settings app on your phone. Once you are there, seek for this screen time option. You don't need to scroll down to find it. After you did that, new screen time page will open on your phone with bunch of stuff. Scroll down at the end of page and find this red marked button which says Turn off app and website activity. Tap it, and now new pop-up appear. Just press it again, and now it should be disabled. Now tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. This will also lead you to a new page with many options, which you can choose to enable or disable, depends on what you want to do. We will just disable entire section. You can do that by pressing this button near Content and Privacy Restrictions. If you ever change your mind, just tap it again to enable it, and choose what you want to change, and you are finished. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.